Hi guys, welcome to Tune Basics, the series that teaches you how to play the basics.
Okay, so where am I going to start? Let's start at the very beginning, which is a very good place to start. 10 points to the person who can tell me what movie that quote comes from. Okay. So first, let's look at the tin whistle. Once again, I'm not a fantastic player, but I'm going to do it anyway. So, the song today that we'll be looking at is "Oh, When the Saints Go Marching On." Is it "Go Marching On" or "Go Marching In"? I think it's "Marching In." So, for those of you who aren't familiar with the song, which I'm sure you all are, I don't really want to do this, but it goes, "Oh, when the saints go marching in, oh, when the saints go marching in, oh, I want to be in that number, oh, when the saints go marching in." Or in the key of C, C, E, F, G, C, E, F, G, C, E, F, G, E, C, E, D, E, D, C, C, E, G, 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 F, E, F, G, E, C, D, C. So that's how it goes. So I don't have to do that again. Good. That's fantastic. Okay. So this tin whistle is in the key of C major. And where am I? Okay, that's what I'm doing. Okay, so just look at phrase one. Okay, so as you know, in my animated tutorials, I break things down into phrases. That's just the way I do it. So the first phrase is C, E, F, G, C, E, F, G. Okay, and so to get the note of C, remember, I don't want to say the wrong thing, but so this one's in the key of C. Another common tin whistle key is the key of D, and I'm pretty sure the fingering's exactly the same. So if yours is in the key of D, don't worry. If it doesn't sound exactly the same as mine, as long as the fingering, as long as you're getting the numbers right, then it should still work. Don't quote me on that. So there's 6 holes, right? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, they're not very easy to see. So this is your left hand. You want to use fingers 1, 2, and 3 to cover holes, the top 3 holes. And then this is finger 4, 5, and 6. Okay, to cover the bottom 3 holes, just like that. Now the tin whistle is a bit of a funny one. Well, I love the tin whistle. I have to say I love playing this way more than I love playing recorder. I love it way more than I love playing the fife, which I don't actually play. But the thing I love about this, with the recorder, you'll notice that recorders have a hole on the back. And the purpose of that hole is to change the pitch that you're trying to play. So the hole on the back for a recorder, for example, is if you cover it, you'll get a low pitch. If you just pinch it slightly with your fingernail so that you've got a little gap in that hole, you end up producing a higher pitch. The thing I love about the tin whistle, oh, actually, sorry, the recorder also has, well, it actually has more than 7 holes, but let's just say it has 7 holes for now. But the tin whistle has 6. So I personally, I mean, when I say this is an easy instrument to play, it is. It's a very easy instrument to play. But that doesn't mean it's easy to play well. Okay, so remember that distinction. I can play, but not well. Okay. Okay, so to produce the C, you cover holes 1 to 6 with fingers 1 to 6 and blow once. All right. And then to play the E, you cover holes 1 to 4 with fingers 1 to 4. So you take those bottom 2 fingers off and you make the E. To make the F, yeah, that's right. To make the F, you want to take that finger off and keep these 3 holes, holes 1 to 3 with fingers 1 to 3. And you want to blow this way. And then to make the G, you want to take finger number 3 off and just cover holes 1 to 2 with fingers 1 to 2 and blow like this. And then the next 4 notes are exactly the same as the first 3 notes. Sorry, it's the first 4 notes. So you go. Like that, okay? So it's 6, 4, 3, 2. Or if you want, you can go 6, 4, 3, 2, 6, 4, 3, 2. Keep practicing this until you end up with something that sounds like this. All right, so press pause if you have to, because now I'm going to move straight on to phrase 2, whether you like it or not. Okay, so phrase 2 is C, E, F, G, E, C, E, D. Okay, anyway, so what we want to do is, now the first 4 notes of phrase 2 are actually exactly the same as the 4 notes that I was just teaching you in phrase 1. So it's fingers 1 to 6, covering holes 1 to 6. Then fingers 1 to 4 on holes 1 to 4. Then fingers 1 to 3 on holes 1 to 3. Then fingers 1 to 2 on holes 1 to 2. Hang on. Yep. Fingers 1 to 4 on holes 1 to 4. Fingers 1 to 6 on holes 1 to 6. Fingers 1 to 4 on holes 1 to 4. And fingers 1 to 5 on holes 1 to 5. So we're going 6, 4, 3, 2, 4, 6, 4, 5. So like this. I made a mistake there. So anyway, see if you can practice that until you end up with something like this. And press pause if you have to, because now we're going to move on to phrase 3. Okay, so phrase 3, it goes E, D, C, C, E, G, 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 F, or 4, 5, 6, 6, 4, 2, 2, 2, 3. And this is what I mean. Cover holes 1 to 4 with fingers 1 to 4 and blow gently. Actually, I should have mentioned that. For this whole tutorial so far, we've just been doing the blow gently, okay? And I kind of started talking about this, but I got distracted. So the thing I love about the tin whistle is blowing gently produces low notes. Okay, but blowing hard produces higher pitched. Like that. So this whole lesson so far, we've just been focusing on blowing gently, okay, to produce the low notes. And just so you know, if you wanted to play this entire song in a higher pitch or a higher octave, it's exactly the same fingering. You just have to play. Sorry, it's the same fingering. You just have to blow a bit harder. So the fingering's the same whether you play an octave higher or an octave lower. So to play an octave higher, you just blow a bit harder. To play an octave lower, you just blow a bit softer. But the fingering is exactly the same. So phrase 3. You can see why I do animated tutorials. I can like do everything really quickly, and I don't have to yabber on the way I do. So phrase 3. Cover holes 1 to 4 with fingers 1 to 4 and blow gently once. Okay. Cover holes 1 to 5 with fingers 1 to 5 and blow gently once. Cover holes 1 to 6 with fingers 1 to 6 and blow gently twice. Cover holes 1 to 4 with fingers 1 to 4 and blow gently once. Cover holes 1 to 2 with fingers 1 to 2 and blow gently 3 times. And cover holes 1 to 3 with fingers 1 to 3 and blow gently once. Okay, so practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Apologize for the little mistake in there. So phrase 4. Phrase 4 is E, F, G, E, C, D, C, like that. Okay, so in terms of fingering, it's 4, 3, 4, 3, 2, 4, 6, 5, 6, E, F, G, E, C, D, C. So it might pay, if you want, just memorize the 4, 3, 2, 4, 6, 5, 6, and you'll get it. So, okay, cover holes 1 to 4 with fingers 1 to 4 and blow gently once. Cover holes 1 to 3 with fingers 1 to 3 and blow gently once. Cover holes 1 to 2 with fingers 1 to 2 and blow gently once. Cover holes 1 to 4 with fingers 1 to 4 and blow gently once. Cover holes 1 to 6 with fingers 1 to 6 and blow gently once. And cover holes 1 to 5 with fingers 1 to 5 and blow gently once. Yeah. And cover holes 1 to 6 with fingers 1 to 6 and blow gently once. All right, and practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now, you can put all these phrases together, and hopefully I can play it properly. Hang on. Now, these things do get filled pretty quickly with spit, so you just need to sort of regularly give them a bit of a shake. Don't bang it on anything because you'll break it. Okay, practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Hang on, not like that. And there you have it. If you want to play it in a higher octave, just blow a bit harder. Whoops. All right, so, sorry, just full of my spit. So, remember, if you want to clone me, all you have to do is just get one of my musical instruments, and maybe you can clone me. Can you clone somebody from their saliva? We're not doing the 5.
And there you have it. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to follow me on Patreon. We'd love your support. And if you're a YouTube content creator like me and are looking for a place to share your work with other like-minded YouTubers, then come and join my Facebook group, Circle of YouTubers. There's a link in the description below. And until next time, stay tuned.